Yes guys, hello, good day. So this is MV Huang Men 18. So former vessel Huang An, and meron siyang gross tonnage na 2,551 tons, and meron siyang carrying capacity na 4,375 tons. Right. Ang length overall niya is 91 meters in length and 13 meters wide. So general cargo from Vietnamese. So naka-registered siya sa Vietnam. Built in 2008. Right, we're here at the port of Cagayan de Oro City, Makabalan. So ang cargo niya is priced from Vietnam. Right, dito na lang po muna. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you.